So we recommend these water picks a lot. They're very good for getting to the back of the teeth. If you're all fingers and thumbs with floss and with interdental brushes, you're going to really struggle to get to those back molars. So the beauty of the water pick is that it's got its extended nozzle, which fires a really high pressure jet of water at those back teeth. But if you don't use it right, you'll get water everywhere. It'll be up your nose, in your eyes, everywhere except for those important places in between the teeth. So these things are for interdental cleaning. So let me show you on the model now how to get the best use out of your water pick. So here's our model, and this is our nozzle on the water flosser. Now the big mistake people make is they kind of spray the teeth from out here. What you've got to do with the nozzle is bring it right up to the teeth. So you've got to go into the gap and rest that nozzle there, maybe for about a second, only just a second, and just rotate it up into the gum a little bit and then left to right. So make sure it's touching each of the teeth in every gap. So every gap has got 2 teeth you've got to clean. So you do a rotation for about a second, move along the gum line and go to the back next tooth. Along the gum line into the gap. And then if you're feeling really advanced, you can go on the inside as well. Same thing, into the gap, but rest that nozzle into that gap 1 second, do a rotation, and then move along to the next gap, along the gum line to the next gap, doing a rotation all the time. That way, you can do a quarter of the mouth, inside and outside, turn the machine off, spit the water out, and then move on to the next quarter. And that way you're getting all the outside and the inside teeth done. You're not filling up with too much water. You're not getting water everywhere. So you should really be able to do this without having to look in the mirror. It's all about tactile feedback, knowing that it's locking into each gap. And that way you're making sure that each interdental space is being cleaned just right. Hope that made sense. Give it a go and see if you can get those teeth shining.